Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by making sure your iPhone 11 is updated and you have a live photo you want to use. Once ready, go to Settings, tap Wallpaper, then choose a new wallpaper and select Live Photos. Make sure the live toggle is visible in the preview so you're choosing the animated file rather than a still. Tap Set, select Set Lock Screen, and don't enable Perspective Zoom. That can break the live animation on the lock screen. Once done, check system settings that affect live photos. Go to Accessibility and make sure Reduce Motion is off. You need the animation allowed. Verify haptic touch responds. Long press the lock screen to trigger the live effect. If the photo still appears frozen, open the live photo in Photos, tap Edit, and resave it. Sometimes re-encoding fixes playback. Also confirm you didn't accidentally choose Perspective Zoom. To finish, lock the phone and long press the lock screen to play the live photo. You should feel responsiveness and see motion. If it fails, restart your iPhone and reapply the live photo. That often clears glitches. Make sure low power mode isn't interfering and update iOS if available. If problems persist, disable Reduce Motion and re-import or resave the live photo from Photos, then set it again. Doing that resolves the vast majority of live wallpaper issues on iPhone 11.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.